Hello guys, let's talk today about the eHome camera SD card installation. As you can see, I have this camera, the E1080p. It works for other e-cameras as well. And here there's an SD card slot. As you can see, it's just right here, okay? So what you have to do basically when you get your camera is disconnect from the power, okay? And then there's a slot here to insert your SD card. Mine is right here. But basically, you just need to insert the SD card here. Let me just get some focus here so you can see it better. Oops, here we go. So you insert your card here. The card is, just drop mine. The card is facing here, the back of the camera. Then you just push it. And here we go. It's ready to go. You connect your cable here. There is a connection for the cable to power the camera. And you see the camera being powered up. You see the LED here. And you're ready to go. Just need to wait for a while. Then you grab your cell phone. Let me just load the application here. Here we go. That's the application. Then you go here to the setup. And you're gonna find the SD card recording mode just right here. As you can see, mine is continuously, so the camera is going to record all the time. And then my micro SD card is in good condition. Okay, you can check it here, and you can also format the SD card. Okay, I've seen some SD cards not showing up here. I have another one here. Let me just grab so you can see. Here we go. That's the one. This one was not working, okay? Every time I was connecting the card, let me just put it here so you can see better. Here we go. Every time I was connecting this card, inserting this card to the slot, here it was not working. So I just tried to recover the SD card in the computer, it didn't work, so I got a new one and now it's working. Sometimes you just need to replace it with a new card or try something on Windows to recover your card, okay? But it's up to you to try that. Here, what I'm showing you is that if the SD card is good, you're just going to insert here and the camera is going to work, right? Then you come here, see that's working, it's going to in good condition. And here you can select to record continuous or when detect activity, right? In my case here is recording continuously and is recording everything all the time, right? Then later you can check the recordings on your SD card. So pretty basic, it works like this. And now you have your e-camera working with the SD card. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.